open from here. Okay.
So you have to transfer all this onto your new print head because it just comes as sort of a bare unit.
I think life for this one is near about 5 years, not more than. For this one, a good condition.
But the print head or the
No,
machine?
all the machine.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you would say that's about right. That's one ink filter.
Okay.
That'll get replaced with the new head.
I'm still confused about your faces. Steve and the John.
I'm Steve.
You're Steve.
Yes.
And John?
Is
John came here.
We look similar. Yeah, John installed it.
Similar,
Yeah.
yeah.
I've not been before.
Yeah.
It's my first time,
Okay,
so
okay, that's fine.
yeah.
The John. This is the John.
John. Yeah, we look similar. Yeah. I'm the nicer one.
This is a new print head.
Yes. Yeah.
Not the electric part. Only the small part.
Yeah. It's all the. It's basically
Oh, this is all everything is here.
you get everything apart. You don't get that and these parts. And because it's a white, you see how these are slightly different lengths. You have to cut these down, and what I'll do to make it easier is transfer that one onto here. Keep the new parts, but transfer that onto here.
And
then
use
it's got the
any
right.
due to any other. You can only use the
These
part.
just unscrew. Yeah. Should be nice and easy. So use all the new connections.
S10?
as well.
I need a small favor. Just turn off the machine because I'm making a movie here.
Okay, boss.
You went to the Snuggle Printing. Is it your customer or the?
Not technically, no. We don't really deal with Snuggle.
And who's the best seller here in this area who have all the details and everything in this area in Birmingham? No.
I don't know. We've got quite a big customer, sort of Warrington.
Warrington.
Yeah.
Warrington.
But
I
no,
think most
in
of the
this area-
customers in London.
Yeah, I think you're right.